Following the investigation, Alfred Ruf was charged with attempted murder and conspiracy to commit murder. But as prosecutors examined the case, complications arose. Alfred's attorney described the marriage as volatile, so much so that, a year prior to his arrest, Lisa had allegedly run Alfred over with a car. The couple had a history of domestic disputes known to authorities. This raised concerns about how a jury might interpret Alfred's claims and behavior. Prosecutors eventually offered Alfred a plea deal. Alfred accepted, pleading guilty to aggravated battery. The more serious charges were dropped. He was sentenced to 9 years, with 5 suspended, meaning he would serve 4 years in prison and 5 years on probation. The court cited multiple mitigating factors. Alfred had no prior criminal record, showed remorse, cooperated fully, and was unlikely to reoffend. His health was declining, and a full trial would have traumatized both the court and Lisa. The plea also avoided a costly legal battle that may have yielded uncertain results. Still, the most glaring question lingered: what happened to the alleged accomplices? Despite Alfred's repeated accusations, Lisa's daughter denied any involvement. Her lawyer disputed all claims of a sexual relationship with Alfred. Prosecutors ultimately declined to file charges against the daughter or Sarah. Why? Because Alfred's confession, while detailed, lacked independent corroboration. There were no physical records, no texts, no recordings, no other witnesses to substantiate his claims. In criminal law, a defendant's self-serving testimony alone typically isn't enough for prosecution. Without solid evidence to back up Alfred's story, the state determined it couldn't meet the burden of proof beyond a reasonable doubt. Thus, Alfred Ruf bore the full legal weight of the conspiracy. His confession painted him as manipulated, perhaps gullible, but still accountable. Lisa survived, though deeply betrayed. And while Alfred faces the consequences, the absence of charges for the alleged co-conspirators leaves the public questioning whether justice was truly served, or if others simply walked free.